ground floor at Hotel Breakers. What's it like? Well, today, I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. We're going to find out together. Okay, so we actually got conjoining rooms here at Hotel Breakers. So we have two different options for us. It's very much like normal, but you, like I just showed you, walk in from the ground floor, which is pretty cool. Scotty's not joining me in shirtless shenanigans.
I'm not cool enough.
Yeah, get out of here, Scotty. It's very similar to most of the rooms that we've seen so far. I mean, you've got the two USB ports. You've got still the same basic look for these, for the beds and for the headboards and the chairs themselves. Everything is pretty much the same. Lots of USB plugins, which I love. And then lots of different places to plug in your phone. Behind pretty much every chair, you're going to find a plug. And on each wall, you're going to find a plug. Under the desk, there's a plug also. Lots of space. You've got a mini fridge and a microwave. And then you have extra bedding in here. Extra pillow. And then just extra space. TV, which I never even touch. They're nice rooms, but there are some weird things with it, like I find a lot with Hotel Breakers. I've stayed here several times this year. Like, look at this door. It's a sliding door, but it's like offset here, which I would think they would have fixed or have that be better. Also, when you get over to here, to the bathroom, you've got, first of all, same bathroom. It's like a little half bath, kind of. Of course, full bath when you close the door, because you have all this over here, which is great. But when you look down here, there's like crap on the wall. I think it's probably, this is metal, so I think it's probably rust. But it's that kind of stuff that's like, just makes it seem less worthwhile. Hello.
Hi.
Drew, you don't have your shirt off. You're not cool like me. Oh, yeah.
Is that what you want?
That's what I want right there. There you go. Oh! We got Andrew.
I'm here in all my unglory.
All right, so we have two rooms completely connected. Jerry's not joining the shirtless party either,
Not
man.
Yet.
Oh, maybe later, huh? All right, so same thing on this side, same USB ports, same lamps, all that kind of stuff around the room. Definitely cool. It's a nice place to stay. Thank you, Jerry and Andrew, for sponsoring us.
Happy birthday, Jerry.
Happy birthday, Jerry!
Happy birthday,
He's in the bathroom right now. So we're making things very awkward on him. All right. So I'm sure we'll be showing you a little bit more of this throughout the weekend here, but we'll end it here for right now. We've got a little bit more that we'll be talking about. Look at Superman in the doorway there. Did you guys see any aliens last night?
No.
Okay, yeah, I didn't think so.
No.
All right.
Not strong enough.
Okay, we're looking for a car battery. And we're going to the Lighthouse Point store, which I did not even know existed. Sorry, we're looking for a battery for my remote for my car. That's why Jerry was just like, stop. We just thought we'd come in here and check it out. I didn't even know that this store existed, and I've covered this for years now. So come and check out the Lighthouse Point store. All right, we lost my phone. Magnum,
lose your phone.
quite possibly.
Nah.
We know where it is because we see it.
Destroyed.
It's there somewhere. It's probably gone, but also it's still working to some degree. For right now, we do know that it's on the sensors and it is still kind of working anyway. At least it has some power to it. So we'll find out where it is later. But I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. And let's keep going if I don't have this footage. All right.
I can do it.
We all have our mesh shirts on to be like the guys in the shows.
Check out my earring.
And our earrings. Look at these.
Hey.
Look how beautiful they are. Although I'm jealous of the dangly ones that you guys have because I just have
Here, take this
like
one.
a knife.
Take this one. Here, there's a dangly one for you. I need my car.
Yeah. Jerry's so hot.
Here, you take that one.
Y'all are so hot. Ah, this hurts. Where'd it go? It fell. Is that one it? Oh, nobody's gonna know that.
Why are you telling the camera?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm swinging it in my eye.
All right, we're on the old phone. This is the room. I'm not used to seeing only 1.5 and 0.5 on here.
iPhone what?
iPhone, none of your business. Shut your mouth when you're talking to me. So, I'm not sure if I have any footage of being in here or not, but we have, we are going to go swimming pretty soon here. In here, oh, there's my underwear. That's lovely. Now, one thing I do really like actually is this. You get up on here. Stepping up onto this is like you're higher than the rest of the floor. I don't think it's been this way in every single one, but I enjoy that better. The rooms obviously are nice. You can get a double room, which is what we did. So you could. They just asked at the time for a double room. How did you guys get the double room?
What?
We each,
Jerry has this room.
yeah. We each bought this room separately. It's just the screened-in balcony
the same
with
room.
the two queen
Yeah.
beds.
Check in at the right time.
It's the non-lake view. If you get a screened-in balcony and it's not a non-lake view, you'll always get the water park view because it's the only one with a screened-in balcony.
You can request
Other
Even
than
though
the
this
lake view.
doesn't have a
can
screen.
request it.
No,
too.
but
Yeah, you can request it. Yeah.
and then when we got here, when we checked in, we just asked to have our rooms together, and they did it no problem.
I don't know if that would work on a busy peak day. Like today, everything is already very full.
Option on the site to get the 2 rooms.
Yeah, but you could do it on the site. So obviously it's really full now. On Thursday, it wasn't full. So we've got 2 rooms though completely connected together. So it's been nice because we've had other friends kind of joining us and heading in and then leaving and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Jerry, I'll point the camera this way. Oh, never mind. I'll point it this way.
It's just remember, if you room with 4 guys, it's gonna get a little stinky when people don't shower.
I showered twice.
Can't take shits.
So there is also appliances here that you can use, microwaves and a refrigerator. There is no coffee maker. So Andrew brings his own coffee maker if you want that. It's kind of weird because things that are standard at like much cheaper hotels they do not have, which I think is kind of dumb, but whatever, it's what they do. Yeah, but it's nice. It's definitely nice to be able to walk out, and getting into the park from here is incredibly easy. Did you really just do that on camera?
No, I was behind you.
So we've got, yeah. I mean, it's a really nice place. Definitely thankful to Andrew and Jerry for getting the rooms and inviting us to come and hang out with them. It's definitely fun to be able to do that. have kind of a boys trip. Kind of. Yoko will be here later. In the fall, none of the outdoor pools are going to be open. They're already closed.
I really wish they kept the hot tubs open.
Yeah,
It's so cool
I
to
know.
sit out there when it's cold.
Yeah.
Like in Canada, we the best hot tubs in the winter when it's snowing out.
Yeah,
Just
and
sit
like
in there.
even Great Wolf Lodge, like they have the outdoor hot tubs. Yeah.
I know it costs a little bit more money, but they can afford it here.
Yeah.
If anywhere can.
I mean, I do understand closing down a pool, and those also you'd have to
I
walk.
don't know why it's not drained like the other one.
Yeah, it is kind of weird. Yeah, a lot of the pools are not. I'm shirtless. What's wrong with you, Jerry? Why would you wear a shirt down here? Oh, it is. Oh, hot tubs are fine. They do have a lot of people in down here. What's up, guys?
Here we are. Let's see. Is it warm?
Is it warm?
Not really, but it's pretty.
It's not too bad, apparently, huh? Go hop in.
Hop?
Yeah.
I'll
Crawl in. Crawl in,
awkwardly
Drew.
crawl in.
All right, let's get in here. Oh, yeah, it feels good. It's not a problem at all. Feels fantastic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone...
Here, just 4 hot guys just toweling off. That's all it is.
3.5.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for hanging out for this additional tour of Hotel Breakers. I have so much fun here, and especially with these guys. And we got to see, and listen, turtles.
I like turtles.
I like turtles.
Hey!
These guys are insane. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Press the subscribe button, like button, and press the join button down below if you want to see every single video that comes out as soon as possible, plus also some exclusive videos just for you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and let's go.
Turtle button.
As the end credits go, we're going to just go for a walk down the beach, hang out because we're so romantic together. So let's go. Guys, I'm kind of getting like a, look, like it's going up. Ooh, like a handlebar mustache.
Just keep doing this all the time.
But I'm going to shave it off pretty soon for Jerry because Jerry said so. All right. Going on one last little walk before I leave from Hotel Breakers. I just haven't gotten out on the beach yet, so my toes are out. My shirt's about to be off, and it's time to go hang out on the beach. All right. It's hard to take off this shirt. It's stuck. Love being out here on the beach, and I think this is gonna be my last day of like beach weather. I could be wrong. Sometimes it gets a little bit warmer again here in the Midwest or in the Great Lakes area, but chances are this is gonna be my last good beach day. Big birds? Oh yeah, turkey vultures, yeah. It's just nice to get back out here again and feel the sand and enjoy it. I think this will be the last warm day to get out on the beach. Yeah. I think likely. And I love being out here. What is wrong with you? See if the water's warm still. No cold? Shallow lake.
What's up, cool people? We're here at Hotel Breakers at the beach. I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. And here's Trent.
What are you doing? See, this is why I don't believe you when bad things happen to you.
I just climbed out of the water.
Yeah.
I was first.
Everybody down in the comments, if you're still left here, say bye to Andrew. 'Cause we won't get to see him for the rest of the season.
Thanks, guys, for accepting me into your little club.
It's so sad. I got a dad bod that I keep trying to make better, and it keeps getting more and more dad body-ish every year. So,
Can't fight nature.
hey though, it's hot, okay? This is the hottest dad bod you've ever seen. It's working. It's working.
Indoor pool. Go in there. Rinse off.
We're waiting on Jerry. It's taking a long time. Hey! Well, it's always so fun to see the guys enjoy that a ton, and I just enjoy being here a ton also. But it's time for me to head out, go back and be a family man. So we're on our way out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go. Hey, thanks for watching. I release theme park related videos at least a couple times a week, so press that subscribe button if you made it this far. Also, check out similar videos in the playlist to the right, or find my newest video to the left. Thanks again, and let's go!